In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pictory.ai to create AI-generated YouTube videos. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a simple idea to a polished video using Pictory's built-in tools. First, log into your Pictory account. On the home page, choose Get Started with Script to Video. This workflow is perfect if you already have a script or if you've drafted a prompt using another AI writing tool. Paste your script or prompt into the editor, then choose a template that matches your channel's style. Templates control the overall look and pacing, so pick one that fits your topic and audience. When you're ready, create the video and let Pictory generate the initial scenes. Once your draft loads, start refining the text on each scene. You can change the font and size for readability, use text transformation to switch between uppercase and sentence case, adjust alignment for balance, and tweak text and background colors for contrast. If you want movement, add text animation. Highlights are great for key phrases. Set a highlight color that stands out. You can also adjust width and add text shadow to improve visibility. Then position the text so it doesn't cover important parts of the visuals. To update visuals, click the Visuals section. Here you can replace clips or images scene by scene. If you'd like more control, open AI Studio to generate and edit visuals with AI. You can apply fresh styles to images, edit or replace backgrounds, and even modify images using a simple text prompt. If you have your own footage, upload it and swap it into any scene you want to improve. This is especially helpful for brand-specific shots, product demos, or B-roll that uniquely represents your channel. Next, move to audio. Choose a voiceover from Pictory's built-in options if you want an AI narration, or upload your own recorded track. You can also select background music from the library or bring your own. Keep the music volume low enough that it supports your message without overpowering the voice. From there, adjust the layout to suit your content. Try different arrangements to keep the video visually engaging. Add decorative text for captions or titles, and use elements like stickers, GIFs, and emojis sparingly to emphasize points or add personality. Finally, explore styles to apply a cohesive look across all scenes so everything feels consistent. And that's it. With a bit of curiosity and an artistic mindset, you can quickly turn ideas into professional videos in Pictory. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new upload.